Creating a well-thought-out dimensional model is an essential step in creating a data warehouse. These dimensional models encapsulate your business processes and define how various business entities interact with each other. With the Astera DW Builder's automated dimensional modeling feature, you can minimize the manual effort involved and have a fully functional dimensional model ready with just a few clicks.
Designed to simplify and expedite data warehousing, Astera DW Builder now has a new automated dimensional modeling feature. With this feature, users will be able to select the facts and dimensions from a list of entities and define the configuration to automatically create a dimensional model. As you can see, all you need to do is tick or select the right options for your dimensional model from a drop-down menu and press OK. Once you do this, Astera DW Builder will begin to create your dimensional model automatically, allowing you to build your data warehouse at speed. There you have it. Your automated dimensional model is ready with the facts and dimensions properly configured. Use this feature for your next data warehousing project and extract insights faster with Astera DW Builder.